Shocking and current Facebook advertising case studies. SavoysFoods.com. Savoy's Sausage and Food Products is a small grocery store that started in Opelousas, Louisiana, where 60 years ago, Eula Savoy began making and selling sausage and other pork products. The main objective was to achieve brand recognition and presence in the market, for which Facebook followers and engagement could play a larger role. The strategy consisted of targeting men and women between the ages of 25 and 64 who were living in Louisiana. Results: the ads reached nearly 92,000 Facebook users and more than 11,000 clicks. They drove over 10,600 new followers to the page at an average cost of 11 cents per like. Helping Dave double his t-shirt business case study. James Grandstaff made a video summary to reveal how he doubled a client's income, whose name is Dave, and the business was about t-shirts. The objective of this case study was to get the attention of clients that already saw a page of a previous campaign made by Dave but wasn't profiting from. The strategy consisted of making serious field tests on a retargeting campaign going back to the previous visitors. Results: after testing James's strategy during the next 4 days, Dave put $3,000 from sales in his pocket. In the past 30 days after starting the campaign, he spent $5,537.56, achieving 899,021 people reached, converting 470, while costing $11.78 per action. Large Financial Case Study. A large financial group offers legal, tax, asset management, and estate planning services, all under one roof, from a team of experienced professionals. Their objective was to fill workshops around the country, and they wanted to do it at a lower cost per attendee. They used Facebook advertising to successfully achieve this objective, so they took a piece of blog content using curiosity and negative outcome positioning to encourage readership, while the ads worked to provoke curiosity about changes to Social Security. Results: they've been averaging roughly 15 additional attendees at each of their workshops. The campaign brought in 594 people to the page, spending an average cost per click of 31 cents and spending $181.93 per ad. The best performing ad set was a combination of a lookalike of their newsletter plus location plus age, with all of this because of Facebook ads. 1-800-Flowers.com. 1-800-Flowers created a network of florists in the U.S. that allowed it to take orders over the phone and deliver them throughout the country. Their objective was to use Facebook's tools to successfully drive engagement and help 1-800-Flowers stay in the forefront for Valentine's Day and help consumers more easily pick and purchase flowers for their loved ones. The company created 3 Facebook ad campaigns all at once, which they embedded in a game. They created an ad campaign which offered 50 Facebook virtual credits for Facebook games and offered 15% discount coupons to its fans. Results: 1-800-Flowers.com received 4,000 transactions as a direct result of the Facebook credits promotion. The Valentine's Day campaign increased engagement with posts to its wall by 250%, and the number of people who logged on to 1-800-Flowers.com using their Facebook credentials increased by 400%. UndercoverArchitect.com. Undercover Architect is a modern home design website that saves customers time, money, and heartaches by informing, supporting, and guiding them when designing, building, or renovating a home. After setting up their website, they were now ready to promote their first online program called Your Reno Roadmap, a guide made for home renovation. The strategy was to run an ad campaign to build their list and run ads for a free webinar or online workshop, which was a precursor to selling people the $990 program. Results: after measuring the field and having a total ad spend of $507.26, they ended up with nearly 400 more people on their email list and a good amount of people that purchased the online program. Facebook page likes increased by 21%, 197. Website unique page views were up 78%, 1,989. Website users were up 127%, 2,132, and they can now use all the Facebook info, plus feedback from those who bought and those who didn't buy to determine if they need to create different products. Cloud Income's Teespring.com case study. Louis Ogden, the 31-year-old founder of Cloud Income, did great on Teespring.com, which essentially allows the user to design t-shirts for free that they can promote and sell. Basically, his main objective was to promote and sell a t-shirt design to the public through the web. But he knew the trick didn't only rely on sharing the campaign URL with his friends on Facebook. This strategy involved using Facebook ads and getting the cost per sale down to a level that allowed it to be profitable. He needed to calculate the potential profit for the campaign and be sure to set a reasonable sale target and price. He launched a campaign for a t-shirt with the design of Made in 1974, Aged to Perfection, using a limit-length strategy, making it look hotter for buyers. Results. In a little over 7 days, he made over $400 profit, with zero experience and low upfront costs. He garnered over 1,400 likes, 155 comments, 400 shares, and over 4,800 actions from just this single Facebook ad. VirtualSummitMastery.com. Navid Moses is a Swedish writer, speaker, podcaster, and consultant who is regarded as the world's leading expert in virtual summits. The main point was to get new email subscribers who would then be added to the launch sales funnel. The strategy started by adding a Facebook pixel to Navid's website about a month before launch, targeting warm traffic, website visitors, and Facebook fans that already had a level of trust. Results. A $4,159 ad spend brought in a total of $36,449 in revenue. That's an 876% return on investment. In addition to the $36,449 in revenue, this campaign also delivered a few additional benefits. Those Facebook ads also delivered 769 new email subscribers with 128 new Facebook page likes. Using Facebook ads for Amazon affiliate case study. This case study focuses on a campaign run by using the tools and resources on building a high-profit campaign to perform an experiment and document the results. The objective was using paid Facebook ads to make money from an Amazon site and create something that is scalable and applicable to multiple niches so that it can be taught to the rest of the public. The strategy of the author centered on finding the cheapest ads. Commission is higher than the price of the traffic. Best converting ads, the best converting landing page, and making it all worthwhile. He did all of this by doing a 4-week program. Results. He realized that the cheapest ads might not necessarily be the best converting ones. Also, the cheapest traffic, nor the traffic with the highest ad CTR, isn't necessarily going to be the traffic that spends the most on Amazon. It was essential to test different combinations of traffic and offers to achieve success. Patience plus specific targets equals a winning equation for e-commerce Facebook ads study. This interesting case study was about promoting Market Square Jewelers, which is a multi-million-dollar antique and estate jewelry company. This is showing how a $7.50 per day spend in a super niche market can be successful. The main objective of this study was to highlight the critical steps to create super targeted ads for a niche audience to convert e-commerce traffic into sales. They launched a Facebook ad campaign to drive people to their website based on their most popular and iconic items, their antique and estate engagement rings. Results. Over 45 days, by utilizing the 5 key components listed above and the techniques it generated with a minimal budget, a 1,631.63% increase in referrals from Facebook was realized, and most importantly, a 40% increase in sales during that period was also seen.